Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great and I am also fine. Today you know that this is our 8th day of our speaking journey. So I hope you all are practicing with me daily and listening me. And I am also glad that you are watching me now. So let's start today's practice. Then you also know that every day we just speaking randomly by speaking randomly for practice, and I also share with you a tricks how we can improve our speaking quality and how we can continue our speaking journey. So for this, today I also share with you these tricks. And the tricks is, first of all, we need mindset strong mindset that I can do it. That what if I cannot, this is not. You just have to be say that I must can do this, I have to do this. For this you can do the work. So today the sun is rising now. This is the time, morning time. So you all know that I feel very like to speak or in this environment. So every day I woke up early in the morning and go out and speak. And also I speak about 1 hour, but I do not capture whole speaking. I just capture one part of my speaking practice, and I just speaking randomly because I'm also beginner. I don't speak quickly and also perfectly. So I hope uh, day by day I will improve, and one day the moment will come when I also will speak fluently and confidently. So if you also want, then you also can stay connect with me, and I also we will everyday practice and joy both sides. So without a sides, another sides will just incomplete, so incomplete. And to complete our life there need both sides and joy, both chapter, both story. So if you want to success, then you if you can give me a sad story in your life, then you can also find a joy story. So to find a joy story or a success, you need a bad story or a sad story. This is also normal in our life. We think that without a sad story or without joy story, both story, without both story, as without both story, a chapter or a life is incomplete. So to be complete a chapter or your life, there need both and sad, both sad and joy, both story. So make those story. So if I am thinking just I am saying just I know, just I also need to I also need to do and also use. You don't think that I am giving you advice. I'm not a teacher, I'm also a student. I'm also learning. And if I say this again and again, this speech, this sentence, then it also will be helpful to apply in my life. So I am speaking this to you, and this also will help for you to apply in your life. If you want, then you can apply in your life, and if you don't want, then don't need to apply in your life. If in, and then you just do another thing. So this is not advised from me, and I hope you also practice every day and learn something new, because the more you practice, the more you learn. Mind it. And that's all for today. If you find this video fruitful for you, then you also can share with your friends this video, and have a good day.